And I'm going to give you a sandbox to play around with here. Remember, sandboxes are just for your practice. They are not submitted for a grade, but they are good exercises to do. What I want you to do is take a look back at your guessing game, or if you want to, one of the other assignments that we've done, and use a function to simplify the code. In the guessing game, what you might want to do is change it so that there's a function that gets the guess from the user and compares it to the computer's guess. So it's a function that will take the computer's random number as a parameter and either return true or false if the user chooses the same number. So see if you can figure that one out, returning either true or false, and integrate it into the game so that you can figure it out, so that the game functions the way it should. So for an extra challenge, you might want to see if there's another way you can use a function in the game. So what we're looking for, I'm going to give you just an example of this part of it. So if I'm going to create a function called, let's see, judge pick winner. I'll call it pick winner. Pick winner int comp guess. Okay, so I'm going to pass that, the computer's guess, into the parameter int comp guess, and I'm going to int user guess equals input guess a number, and then I'm going to do my logic here. If int user guess equals int comp guess, then I'm going to say print you got it. And then I'm going to return true. I'm going to return the Boolean value true. And then, of course, there will be an else branch to this. So my if-else logic to see if they guessed right or not is now inside this function. So I'll return false. So let's just say print pick winner, and I'm going to give it the computer's guess as 5, and watch what it does. So guess a number. If I guess 5, it's going to say nope. Oh, you're the reason why is because I didn't change it to an int. There we go. It'll get you every time. So I'm going to do 5. You got it. If I run it again, if I choose 4, it says nope. But you can see here, it's printing the message, but it's also returning a true or false that I can then capture into here. So there's the basic structure of that function. So the sandbox challenge is to figure out how to integrate that function, or a function like this, if you want to modify it, go for it, into that number guessing game. So you've got to generate the code structure. You've got to decide what to do with that true and false. You've got to figure out how to keep track of how many guesses the person has had. But doing that simplifies the whole comparison of whether they match or not down to a single command. So it simplifies the structure quite a bit. All right. So that's where we are going to hit the pause button, and I'm going to give you some time to work on that.